Okay, so this song is quite easy because it only has got 4 chords that are going to repeat for the entirety of the song. So this is the easiest version that I could come up with. What we're going to start with is an A minor chord. Now I'm going to show you the version without the capo first, in case you don't have one, and you'll just have to kind of sing along and play yourself. But if you do have a capo, then you can play with the song, which is great. Right, so an A minor chord, we're going to take a pointy finger, fret 1 of string 2. We're going to take our middle and our ring fingers, and we're going to put that on fret 2 and 2 of strings 3 and string 4, like that. We're going to play from the A string, and that's the first chord. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ring finger, and we're going to put that onto fret 3 of string 5, and we're going to make a C chord. Then we're going to do the F major 7. So we're going to take our ring in our middle and we're going to move that down one each, down one string each. So now we have this shape. We have a pointy finger in fret 1 of string 2, a middle finger in fret 2 of string 3, and a ring finger on fret 3 of string 4. Now we're only going to play from string 4 now. And that's going to be the final chord, and then we do another one of them, okay? It's going to be lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So you can sing it to yourself like that if you want to play along with, but now let's take a look with the capo. All right, we're going to put this on fret 5. Now you can actually play along with the song properly, and you can follow the chart that's going to follow and just enjoy. So it's quite a bit higher. Do the same chords we were just learned. With the capo, just pretend like your guitar only starts there. Pretend like this part of the guitar has been chopped off, and then you should be good to go.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts, and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go. So I'll go, I will go. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier, I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirit,